Can't imagine how cool it would be to have something like this at home. This campfire humidifier is so cool. It makes the house smell better. And don't worry about how long it will last. It can last for 2 days or even longer. You can change the color of the light through the remote control, blue or red, and even set the timer according to your time. If your friends come to your house, they will definitely envy you for having such a beautiful. Buy it now and enjoy a discount. Come and be the first owner in your circle of friends.